Assalamu alaikum guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope are you doing well and enjoy my video. So let's get started. In this video I will show you RC motorbike. Yeah, RC bike. Yes, you are trolling my words. RC bike I will show you in this video. So come on and let's go. So this company name of RC bike, Losi RC motorcycle, Promoto MX1 for motorcycle, ready to run and combo included battery and charge proc circuit. Because this is a RC race beginning for a multiply company. Everyone company show the brand and show the RC bike. Looking in my video, yes, you know in this feature are using RC bike. So let's tell about for feature. So bike stand, starting stand and Losi Promo MX Pro Circuit RT motorcycle, Spectrum Smart DX3 PM transmission, AA transmitter batteries, Spectrum 5000 mAh battery available. So cool. Speed you looking in my video, so heavy and so high power generating speed due to 5000 mAh battery included in this bike. So Spectrum Smart S120 USB-C charger available, 1 multiplied 2 megawatt. Yo, this is a super fast charging, and I mean to say I estimate 30 to 20 minutes is almost complete charging. Turning parts, forks and shocks tool. This shocks absorber are so cool and amazing due to help of many mountains up and down, help out of race, yeah, during race. So if you want more these like videos, please subscribe my channel and bell icon press, share the video, like the video, so comment up. Allah Hafiz.